All right, there. No, still no nothing. Oh, there we go. I think you guys can hear me now. Sorry about that, guys. As I was saying, welcome to Sunday STOCKcast. My name is Cruz. I am the founder and head trader at NewAgeWallStreet.com. We do primarily trade options and things like that here, guys. We do trade also some small caps and crypto, equities, things like that as well. Happy you guys are here for. No, this is the Trade Factory, bro. It's the Trade Factory. It's been a while since I've been on here. It's been a while since I've seen you, Simpson, but um, kind of do a little update for you guys. I was so with those windows right there. I was on the other side of that wall in the smaller room, and then the guys that were here with me, leasing the office from me, they moved out, so they kind of fucked me over and left on like a 3 day notice. And so now I have the whole office. I have about 3,000 square feet of space in here. We have a bunch of desks, trade stations in here, and I will have a video coming out pretty soon of the whole trade factory and doing a tour of it and everything. Actually, the bar stools are at my house, sitting on my porch right now. I need to bring them. Um, the we need to build the bar actual tables and stuff, but yeah, that's pretty much it. It'll be a space where if you want to come trade with us, you can come trade with us side by side, and just great trading community to be able to trade with and be able to vibe with and chill, dude. We have so far we have like 3 or 4 traders, and then I have some friends that come and hang out and stuff. And it's been nice having the bigger area. It's all set up really nice. Um, Now my girl's over there like straight up spread out on the couch watching TV right now, so that's kind of cool. She could come and chill. Um, so so yeah, guys, welcome. This is the Trade Factory right here. Like I said, I'll do a video tour. I'll make a video for YouTube here very shortly, and then I'll also, um, reintroduce everything. So, a couple of housekeeping things here, real quick, guys. I do want to show you. We are having a end of summer type sale here, guys. So, if you guys could take a look, here, let me see. All right, so this is showing my screen right here, but we are doing an end of summer sale right now, which is absolutely bonkers because our prices were already um, really cheap. So if you come to newagewallstreet.com, if you guys have been thinking about learning how options move the actual equity market and you want to get brushed up on that, right now the annual is only $149. The lifetime membership is only $249. This lifetime was only $299, and dude, even at that, it was super cheap. So I think you can make your membership back within the first day, if not the first week of being in my chat room. You definitely get well over the value of that being in my chat room, and then for a year you could get 149. So we do live screen share every day, 24/7 chat. We do have a library of indicators. We do have uh, I've been kind of slacking lately, but we will get back on track on doing 2 weekly member webinars to do study sessions, do daily trade recap, watch list. We do the meetups and summits here in the Trade Factory as well. So everything is comes along with it, and we will also be rolling out merch for the fall too. So you'll get discount on merch if you're a lifetime or annual member. Okay. So if you aren't a member, make sure you take advantage of this. It will not stay like this. We are significantly going to raise the prices, guys, because we do offer a lot more than what I feel any other chat room actually does. So please take advantage if you've been wanting to and you haven't yet. The second part is we are doing a giveaway. So if you come to my Twitter, guys, over here, you kind of scroll down a little bit past all this sexy charts and everything that is going on. You could see somewhere in here. Right. Oh, nope. That was the old sale. See, it was only $299 the old sale. So, but there is, give me a second. I guess I can't find it. I'll put the link in the chat, but basically, you go to King Sumo. Oh, it's going to help me do my Oh, no, I don't want to do it like that. It's somewhere in here, guys. Let me find it real quick so I can put the link for you. Oh, here it is. So I'm giving away a replica of my trading rig here, guys. So you guys can see this from in this video. This is my actual computer that I'm actually streaming onto you guys right now. It's like something that Darth Vader would be working with. So 3060 NVIDIA GTX or TI GPU, 32 gigabytes of RAM, Ryzen 7 processor, all water cooled, Republic of Gamers motherboard, um, RGB all over the place. It's absolutely awesome. It has a terabyte of memory in it, so I'm gonna give away an exact replica of my computer out to someone that does trade because I know that this was one of the biggest things that I wish I had when I was a trader was an actual trading rig. I started like on a laptop from a pawn shop, dude, and it just freaking sucks. So giving this away here, guys. I'm gonna put a link here in the chat from my Twitter. Um, right here. I'll put it right here for you guys. Oops. All right, and that's basically my housekeeping for today, guys. But other than that, I hope you guys are doing well. We'll get. Does anyone have any like questions or things that they're working on? Or I offer relationship advice. I can't tell you if it's going to be good or not, but anything guys you guys want to talk about on here is open season, guys. So I definitely do appreciate it. Um, just to let you guys know a little bit, for this upcoming week, I am taking vacation, which is kind of crazy. I'm actually going to go on vacation on Wednesday. I'll be gone, won't be streaming or anything at all. I'll be traveling, and then I will probably be doing STOCKcast and my member webinar on Sunday. But it's kind of permitting. I want to see where I'm at with it. If not, Richard may be doing it. So you guys have met Richard already. He will be doing it, and then since I'll be in Hawaii, so the time difference is kind of way different. So I don't want to be like at noon in the middle of the day doing StockCast out there. Okay. So please bear with me on that. Also, um, yeah. So then I'll be gone. I'll be gone until the Thursday after, and we'll get back to our normally kind of schedule. And then on Wednesdays, I'm gonna start streaming the for Power Hour. So Power Hour on Wednesdays, just kind of come in, review the trades for that we had on the day, and then just kind of come in and hang out and stuff. So if you guys want to come on Wednesdays, we were doing like the TGIF stream on Fridays, on Friday mornings, trading together, and that just wound up being kind of boring because there wasn't any plays or anything during that time. So we will not do that anymore. um, all right, so no questions from anything you guys are working on your trading or anything upcoming. Cool. So I'll go ahead and get right into it then, guys. As far as our tickers for the week, what's going on? I was looking at the futures for the S&P right here. They are bloody AF right now. So definitely a pretty significant gap down on the ES right here so far from the open. But right here at 44, this is 44, 441, basically on the SPY 440. It's not too much. I know it looks, pretty significant, but if we come and we zoom a little bit further out, that's not too bad. We're just basically coming back and retesting the breakout spot. But we may also get back into this range that we're having if we come to like the bigger, more macro looking right here. We may get back but into this range right here where the 440 is. But I am looking at we probably will have somewhat of a pullback bloody day here tomorrow on Monday. So just be aware of that. I'm kind of, especially in our tech names, the Qs have been just kind of unstoppable going up here, guys. And we for us to take a little bit of a breather, maybe get back down here to the 365, 362 ish area wouldn't be too bad. I would not be too upset about that. So, what I'm looking at specifically for those is like Tesla, right? So everyone was chasing Tesla up on this week on this breakout, and everyone had this stupid triangle drawn on their charts, right? So this big old this big old triangle like this. Whatever, dude. Everyone chased it up on the month end short covers and back the 700s and 720s. I got 72 725 calls that I sold. We ended under 700. It was pretty easy money for the week. um so I am expecting this to come back down to 690, 685, test in those areas, and then we'll make a decision if we're going to come further back or bounce and come back up. Okay, so that's Tesla, and then Apple as well. So I think this is what we're kind of lagging on, is this triangle right here on Apple. Is we can't get over this 150 or even close to it, and we hit the top of the range. I do believe we have a little bit of ways to come back to the 144, 143, and we will come back down and test that tomorrow. And Amazon was relatively with relative weakness as well here, guys, as of lately. I think we're going to come and retest the bottom of this range right here, maybe this 3,300, 3,310 area right here tomorrow. Okay. If you guys have other takers or whatever, let me know if you want to go over it. That's it. And then the smaller names. So I have CRM, Salesforce right here, guys. I really like this one. So trying to break out of this top range right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times it's touched. We kind of put in resistance right here in this top. We're holding support now, and then for it to curl back up. Right, Amara to do BTC. Ronnie, dude, where you been, brother? Where you been all my life? Okay. Yeah, so Bitcoin, we could look at Bitcoin, dude. I don't know. I think it's rallying right now, right? Yeah, so Bitcoin back above 40,000 right here, guys. Loading this chart up. So back above 40,000. So looking pretty good. I've seen some people getting excited about Dogecoin again. I think it's like over 30 cents or something like that. So, well, it was trying to get above 30 cents. So pulling back a little bit now. Look at this compression going on right here. But yeah, we got that break up. See if we hold this area. It's 23 and push back up here on this Dogecoin on that. All right. Yeah. So Riot and Mara, those would be good. Sympathy plays alongside with those. Let's see, Riot. That sounds pretty nice, dude. More on the weekly right here. We had like this double bottom, and then the breakout point, it would be right here at this $34. So 30 above 34, that would be the nice breakout point on the Riot. And Mara, this one's already done it. So this one already put in the double bottom. It's already broken up. So I like this one a little bit more. It's showing a little bit more strength. So as long as we could hold the breakout of 33.50 or so, then your next point up is going to be about 38.25 on that one. All right. All right. Oops. All right. SQBG, is this like a OTC stock? What do you see in this stock, dude? Sequential Brands, what? Sequential Brands. Like what do they do? Yeah, not really understanding this all the way here. But I do like this curl up. I don't like, it looks like it gets pumped quite a bit. I don't know what the float is kind of on this. I could check real quick. SQBG. So there's the float. Yeah, this float is less than a million, dude. And this is kind of garbage to me. I wouldn't even play this, to be honest. And then NCTY. Honestly, this one is a little bit interesting. Um, so right here, that's the top. So if it could stay above that, this line right here, right, that I just drew, like the 14. So stay above 14, then we could definitely get running back up here to the upside. Especially if you come to the volume profile right here, you can see the 14 is where it starts, this volume starts tapering off. Then you start getting into a gap right here. So if this is the lower volume as well, then or excuse me, lower float as well, then yes, it could definitely get moving pretty quickly. um their crypto sympathy as well, yeah, so cool. I like this one, dude. Yeah, as long as it could hold 14, I do like this one. Awesome. Also, the one I was looking at as well too, guys, is Roku. So Roku, with the way that they had earnings and just they didn't keep the strength up of what they had. So with what we are showing here, this press up towards the 500 coming back, I think we're gonna lose this 389 ish area, and then come back down to like 360, 365. So I think this is where we're headed back down to this area right here. So keep that in mind. And then Snapchat. We were talking about this in our members only webinar here a little bit ago. Nice move up here on the earnings, just kind of flagging and consolidating above this gap. It's already shown support a couple times, but anytime it gets up towards the 78, it just kind of crashes. So I'd be looking for a little bit of a pop up here tomorrow and then fade down to test this support. And then if it fails the support, we're probably going to get 70 pretty quickly. Facebook. Um, this one is actually starting to put in like kind of like a head and shoulders right here, bro. So you have your head right here, right? Here's your head. Here's your shoulder area right here. And then if you put your shoulder area right here, upwards towards this 368, I think it fails this and then probably comes further down. So depending on how the overall market looks and what have you, but yeah, it's kind of looking head and shoulderish right here to come back down at least to 350. So that's the way I like it. UPST, they got pumped by Motley Fool here this week, guys. Was calling this at 116. It's at got up to 139. Has resistance there, but put in the lower high. So I want to see if it could press up and start taking out that 139, 140 area, get moving. So that would be pretty nice on this UPST. And then what was the other ones that we were talking about? I think that's it. Did you guys do anything special over your weekend, guys? Anything you guys seen? But I think that's it as far as uh, RCL or CCL went crazy on one day this last week. I don't remember. Oh, oh, I like this one right here, the CCL. So just making sure you know that you don't get caught up in that COVID news or what have you. But if we could get to the breakout spot right here, this 2350 or so, and break out of there off of the double bottom right here, that would be pretty nice. But that winds up being right below this resistance right in this area. So you kind of got this kind of weird area right here. Something like that. So where this is like your resistance and stuff where I need to get to. So pretty nice. Um, Yeah, I think AMC. No, so like I'm a little bit of confusion here on this AMC because I did like this base it was putting in, and now it's holding this 30 right here. So I'm kind of betting on it going back up. So I'm actually trying to push it again, maybe to like 50. I don't, and I think they already reported earnings. I'm not 100% sure. They haven't reported earnings yet. So once they report earnings, that'll be a good tell of which way we're going to go to. So they report earnings back here, but I don't see it here yet. So once they report earnings, then yeah, then I think we'll have a better indication of which way we're going to go. Excuse me. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I think Nvidia will come back down and test 200 again as well too. Earnings are tomorrow. Oh, okay, cool, awesome, awesome. If earnings are tomorrow for AMC, cool. You guys have any other questions or anything? Yeah, so Tesla, I think we break that 700 to get down to 690, 685 or so. Then we'll make a decision. So we'll see how we go tomorrow because, like I said, we're pulling back pretty hard so far on this ES, but I don't want to get overly biased. And then we just rip off of the 441 right here, the 440 for the SPY, and then like I said, just rip up tomorrow. So gonna be a little bit patient right at the open. I probably may get like one or two trades. I gotta go get COVID tested and gonna go shopping and stuff tomorrow, so I won't be too active in the markets tomorrow. Cool, guys. I do this every Sunday. If you guys want to come and hang out, if you guys want to come hang out and get any type of questions in your trading, taking a look at, anything, we'll go over them. I'm mostly a technical trader, so if you have technical type questions or just setups, patterns, things like that. Also like I trade majority of options, so if you want to do anything, options related as well, let me know. We could go over some option stuff, but every Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. my time, which is Mountain Time. If you guys want to come hang out. But yeah, before I go take off, was there anything else you guys want to? I hope you guys have a good week. I will send and post a bunch of pictures for my trip. I will let you guys know on Twitter about StockCast for this next week. And then for those of you guys that are in my chat room, Richard will be here the second half of the week, last half of the week, I should say, calling out trades and helping you guys out in the room. And I will also be here as well. I just don't know how effective I'll be. So, all right. Awesome, guys. You guys have a great rest of your day. You guys stay money bus. Stay safe in the market tomorrow, okay?